Okay, so today we're going to have a look at a new set of decals from Iliad Design 1/48 scale, obviously a P-38J Lightning. So, open it up, see what we get. So, one decal sheet, one sheet of paper. Looks to be 5 options on there. Mostly green one. Doesn't say where this one was from. This one's from the Pacific. An experimental scheme from used in the UK, based in the UK. There's one from the UK, mostly green, and another one from Italy. All of them have pretty obvious nose art. There's no sort of boring schemes. Looks like there's nothing about them being for any specific 1/48 P-38J, so they can go on any kit you've got. Like with Iliad, they always have the, as you can see here, little notes about the specifics of a particular aircraft, so you can get it exactly right. And there's everything there you might need. The little sort of weird idiosyncrasies of the page. The up top and bottom, the faded ones are on the other side of the wing, so the underside of the wing. Shows you the demarcation lines that you can't see on the side views because the engines are in the way. This is a standard thing for P-38s, a big shiny oval panel there, so the pilot could check the undercarriage, the nose undercarriage was down. So that looks pretty neat. And then decal sheet. See if I can get the reflection right. See, the backing film is pretty close. I've got it really close to all the sheets. The only time I can really see it is around numbers, to hold letters and numbers together and in place. So all a pretty neat sheet. If you've got any 1/48 P-38J in your stash, you can use this decal sheet. Best place to get it is direct from Iliad Design, but also it'll be stocked by other retailers as well.